Using a small slotted screwdriver, adjust the pin on the tool from underneath until the height of the top edge of the base, to the top of the pin matches the dip measurement that you desire. See sketch. Right. So from the top of the base to the top of the pin. That makes sense. Equals the depth you desire. Remove the aluminum float from the pouch and place the float over the steel pin on the tool. Be sure to face the side with the smaller diameter hole up. Yeah, right, because there's a bigger diameter hole and a smaller. Yeah, smaller up. Okay. Place the tool on the key with the float resting on top of the keys to the left and right of it. As you move the tool back, the base will reference against the front of these two keys also. This will exert a consistent amount of downforce on each key. Add or remove punchings until the top of the float is even with the top edge of the pin. This can be done very accurately by a light touch across the float with the tip of your finger, right? When using the sharp float attachment, optional, you will have to balance the tool on top of the sharp keys. This will be a bit tricky, but will get the job done. Keep the tool at an even distance from the end of each key. The length of the sharp float should allow it to rest on top of the sharps on either side of it. If the base of the tool should somehow get scratched or dented, it may do damage to the key tops. Always check the base, making certain that it is smooth before using. If this should occur, you may have to buff the base of the tool with fine sandpaper, or you may decide to cover the bottom of the tool with a layer of very thin tape. Okay, great. Great.